Okay, out testing the new rear mudguard on the Monster. Let's see how it goes. I'll give it a bit of a clean down. You can see how dirty it is already. Quick wash down, but heading out now. See if it gets any worse than that and how it performs on the mud. Let's have a look how we're getting on. Ooh. Well, all that other mud spat on the right hand side there, the red, is nothing. We've got a tiny little bit on there. Nothing's come higher, I don't think, than that. Back of my trousers are splat free. But that's good. Oh, must carry on. Actually going to head into some proper mud now. Through here, as you can see, and let's see how it goes, see what the end result is. Okay, right at that trail area now, all the mud, and that hasn't changed. That has not changed since last looked at it. That is performing really, really well. For such a short, compact mudguard, that is absolutely brilliant. It's tiny. It only just protrudes from the actual wheel diameter. It is working brilliantly. Oh, I must go again. No rest. Okay, we are back after about a 4 miler, and just those specks there you see, that's it. Usually it would be absolutely plastered. You wouldn't be able to see those lights without a mudguard, and that's with a mudguard. Huge difference. It basically stops almost all the mud. My trousers are clean, jacket's clean. Spot on, really good.